Hello, you are looking at 3 Mrs Chuas. The one on the left is holding one single sheet of A4 paper. The one in the middle is holding a stack, 20 sheets of A4 papers. The one on the right is holding one single sheet, but it's oriented vertically. All 3 Mrs Chuas are going to drop the papers at the same time. Which one is going to land first? Make your predictions before seeing the results, okay? You ready? Here we go. Okay, let's play the 3 videos side by side. Alright, now do you think the outcomes could have been predicted? See you at the comment section and remember to click the like button. Arigatou gozaimashita!